This meal is being prepared for Rich Davis. Instant Pot Brussels Sprouts Potato and Apple Kumquat Dinner, Part 1 of 2.
Okay, we're going to be cooking in the Instant Pot tonight. But tonight what we're doing is we're cooking Brussels sprouts,
small baby potatoes,
4 apples, delicious kumquats. Come and watch and see how I put together this dinner.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio, Brussels Sprouts Potato and Apple Kumquat Dinner. Ingredients: 1. Instant Pot pressure cooker. 2. Vegetable steamer. 3. Brussels sprouts with ends and blemishes removed. 4. Baby potatoes, a mixture of red and russets. 5. Corvée apples, any variety is fine. Instant Pot pressure cooker.
So the first step we do is we turn on the Instant Pot and we put on this vegetable steamer. Protects the vegetables from being damaged. And then we're going to wash our Brussels sprouts and clean off the ends. Then we'll core the apples, and then we're going to wash these potatoes.
Let's get started.
Okay, a clean mat.
Brussels sprouts.
Just bought these at Sprouts. Just wash them down. These are very, very fresh. And we're going to do from here, clean off the edges. They probably could get away with not doing it. See, there's a little leaf here, damage here. We're going to make sure that's out of here. You cut this way, which is a good way to cut yourself. Or you can just do it on the mat, which is the wiser thing. You're just taking off the ends off. These are so fresh, you probably could get away with leaving them on. I'm going to do this real quick, and I'll be right back. So eventually we're going to have to move this over to put the apples in. For right now, all of the Brussels sprouts are inside the liner. Now we're ready for our next step.
Coring the apples.
Now I've said it before, make sure your stickers are off your apples. Okay, now watch it. Oh, here's another one sneaking around. Take the apple core, put it down the center. The apples have already been cleaned. Use your knife to separate it. Okay, so we put all these, and let's just go in. Let me show you what it looks like. It looks like that. Okay, the apples are inside now.
Puncturing the potatoes.
We got ourselves our strainer. Take a look at these. These are probably good planting potatoes, but we're going to eat them today. Take this is a fork, and watch me as I am poking the potatoes. Okay, that one on one side. Pick it up, throw it inside the pot. The same thing on the red potato. And just do this until all your potatoes are poked, and that way they won't blow up. You notice that it's full. Well, it's not beans, so it's not going to expand, so it's fine to have it that full. Now we have to put some water in there. So you put a cup and a half in, pour it right over the top, won't make any difference.
Come watch part 2 for glazing and finishing this meal. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.